It's time for a spring summer Revolve try on haul. I tried to be very conscientious of what I was buying to buy for things coming up like brunches, lunches, going out in the evening, vacations. So let's get this open. And we all know how quickly shopping at Revolve adds up. So I will try to be very honest with my reviews on this, on both the sizing, the quality, and everything else. Okay, let's move. And the first thing coming out of the box is a floral dress by More to Come. Okay, this is a keeper, and I think it's amazing value for the price point. The color is super pretty, floral prints, obviously. Nothing groundbreaking, but always beautiful for spring, summer. The fit's perfect. It has adjustable spaghetti straps, so you can get a great fit. And I think the fit is spot on. I'm 5'2". I'm wearing a size extra small. With flats, I would have it hemmed, but I feel like this is a dress I would wear with strappy heel sandals, and it'll be a great length. It's kind of floor skimming. It is fully lined, which I think is amazing for the price point. It does have a very high leg slit, so very, very sexy, very plunging. So if that's too revealing for you, there is enough material to sew it up quite a few inches if you wanted to do that. I'm not going to. I'm going to leave it sexy. I think this is a really lovely kind of like dress for going out for dinner, for vacation, resort wear. I'm actually going to wear this to the NSPCA gala with cowboy boots and a cowboy hat because that's the theme for that. I feel like it's really good value for the price point. It's feminine, it's sexy, it's flirty. The print is perfect for spring, summer. It's lightweight. You can roll it up and pack it very, very easily. And I feel like the print and color is very true to what they're showing you on their website. There are definitely both pros and cons to this matching set. So I will start with the pros. Firstly, I think it's absolutely stunning. It's super sexy. Definitely a statement making piece. These starfish details I think are beautiful, and they're pins, so you can remove them to make it easy to wash. The skirt is fully lined as well, so no worries about flashing. The top and bottom are sold separately. Yes, that makes it more expensive, but it also means if you're a different size top to bottom like I am, you can get the perfect fit. So I ordered an extra small in the skirt. I feel like that runs perfectly true to size. The top, I started with an extra small and it fit on the rib cage but didn't give me enough cup coverage. So I sized down to a small, which gives me the right coverage on the cup. It's just a bit big on the rib cage, so I'm going to have that taken in. The only downside is this isn't swimwear. Even though the top looks like it should be, there's no matching bikini bottoms. The matching bottom is the matching skirt. So you could obviously easily buy a plain white bikini bottom. I have one. That's how I'm going to make it work as swimwear. So I would wear this as a swimsuit and then use this as a cover up for walking down to the beach, walking down to the pool. If you didn't want to buy a matching bikini bottom, say matching, it's not going to be exactly matching because I don't sell a matching bottom, but a white bikini bottom, you could wear this for things like hanging out at the beach bar, by the pool, at a Vegas pool party, at a yacht party, but just know it's not designed to be swimwear. But I still think it's absolutely stunning and I'm keeping it. I'm going to hold the mic so I don't mess up the line of the dress. Now, this dress is an absolute to get on. It took me a good 5 minutes to figure out where all of the fringing went, not to get my foot caught in the bottom of them, to get the zipper done up, all the rest of it, which is why I wanted to style it fully for you for how I would actually wear it, because it is an absolutely stunning dress. I think is worth the patience getting into. The color of it is absolutely gorgeous and very true to what they show on their website. It does come in a couple of other colors as well. I was tempted to get a couple of other colors like the gold. I thought that would be stunning for the summer, but now I've seen how hard it is to get into, probably not. I love the fact you don't need to iron it. That's definitely a bonus. The fit is amazing on it. I definitely feel like it runs true to size. It's very body hugging. The back I actually managed to zip up myself, so it's something you can get into yourself, and it's just one of those really fun girly dresses. I got this dress with the idea of wearing it on vacation when we go to Bali. I thought an ubud in the kind of lush jungle, the color would be perfect. It kind of ties in but still stands out, and it's just a beautiful dress for going for dinner. So I would definitely wear this. I would probably tie my hair up with it because it's obviously going to be hot and humid, but also so you can see the neckline on it, because I feel like halter necks are quite flattering on the shoulders. So if you have the patience to put this on, I definitely think this dress is worth it, because I think this color is absolutely stunning. The fit's stunning and the overall aesthetic of it's really fun and girly. Right now I have a major thing for polka dot. I got 3 dresses, so let's hope one of these at least works. Okay, I'm obsessed, and I don't normally say that with things. I'm not one of those girlies, but this dress is so fun and feminine. It's so super cute. If you are looking for a brand on Revolve that's not overpriced, check out More to Come. This dress is under $80 and I love the fit of it. The waist nips you in where it should. The back is kind of really sexy and low. It's easy to do up yourself. I didn't need anything underneath. It's not see-through at all, which sometimes lower price points can be. It also comes in more colors if you don't want to do black and white. I just think this is such a classic combo. And there are lots of ways to style this, so have fun with it. You could tie it like I did. You could also do it so you have the ribbons down the front. You could do an updo and do that in a big bow. You could tie it at the side. You could wrap it around and tie it at the front. Just really, really have fun with this dress. It's girly, it's feminine, it fits well, it won't break the bank, and it's perfect for spring and summer. The only thing I will say is there's quite a lot of excess material at the side, so you may wish to size down. This is my favorite dress of the entire Revolve try-on haul. And yes, it's more polka dots, but I love polka dots, so no judgment. But it's the shape of it. It nips you in at the waist and flares out in the right places. Sometimes dresses flare too early and kind of make you look bigger than you are. This stays flat at the front, so it's really, really flattering. The material is fully lined. It runs true to size. I'm wearing an extra small, which is my normal size, and I am absolutely obsessed. It's super, super girly, amazing value for money. And Star is helping me unbox everything today. Yes, more polka dots, more to come, $88, so another dress under $100 from Revolve. This one is satin, so it feels lovely on. It's fully lined. I am very, very impressed with More to Come. It's not a brand I've had much experience with before, but if you're looking for pieces under $100, maybe something that's kind of like in fashion for a season, just more on trend, amazing, amazing brand. This one zips up at the side, so it was very easy to get into, elasticated top. The only thing I will say, maybe it's just me, I think this is quite short and I'm only 5'2". So if you're tall, it's going to be very, very short. And what I thought was really fun, it comes with this scarf, which means, I mean, literally you can do whatever you want with this. You could just throw it over your shoulders like that, keep it simple. That way it's easy to take on and off as you want. You could tie it in a bow. You could flip it around the other way. I mean, literally, do whatever you want with this. And if you didn't want it around your neck, you could even use it as a headband. I would take it across the top, leave some hair out the front, and then tie it under the back. That would be very, very cute. You could also use it as a belt if you wanted to, and you could use something like a scarf ring if you didn't want to have the bulk of a bow. Just leave it loose or even do it in a very cute little bow. So again, it's one of those dresses that's very, very versatile that you can play around with and keep kind of changing the look of the dress. I definitely think my favorite way to wear it is that first way with it draped around your neck. Yes, another polka dot dress, but this was too stunning to resist. And yes, I do have lots of tiered polka dot dresses in my wardrobe already. There's always room for more. And this dress is from Majorelle, which is a very different price point to More to Come, but you are getting better quality for that higher price point. I just wanted to show you different things at different price points so you can find whatever works best for you. Now, fit-wise, the fit is brilliant in the body. The straps are adjustable. It is very long though for me, even with heels, so I am going to have to get it tailored, but it just makes me want to dance and twirl. It's such a fun, beautiful dress, and it's definitely a dress that I will pack on vacation with me this year. I think it's brilliant for resort wear, for those dinners in the evening, especially if you're going somewhere like the Mediterranean. The only downside I read in reviews and I noticed in person is there is some fraying on the flower. That's how it comes. I don't know if that's the aesthetic or not. So you can either lean into that aesthetic or trim them off. Or what I would do, what I used to do with my point shoe ribbons, is just very, very carefully, do not blame me for this if it goes wrong, I used to take a lighter just to seal those edges and it stops them fraying again. But if you do that very, very carefully and at your own risk. Okay, so that is it for my spring summer Revolve try on haul. I am surprised that nothing is hitting the return pile. Normally there's something that goes back, whether it's the size, the quality, the color, there's a reason something goes back, and I'm keeping everything. I love how everything fits. I love the aesthetic of everything, and I know it will get worn. The one thing I will say though, there is definitely a difference in quality between More to Come and Majorelle, those pieces, because the price point is so different. If you're looking for a seasonal piece on trend that's not going to break the bank, More to Come is great. If you want something that's better quality that you you can maybe wear for a couple of years, definitely look at Majorelle and spending a bit more. But the fit, the fashion, the trend, it's all there. I've linked everything below. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe.